Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can start selling on Etsy. So first up here, open your browser and then go to Etsy.com. And here on the website, as you can see, now if you don't have an account yet, you just need to sign up. So click on the sign in button and an option shows up here. Enter your email and password, or you can basically go and continue with Google, Facebook, or your Apple account. Now in this case, I'm going to select continue with Google, and then here I'm going to select my Google account, so basically here, and then click continue. Now on the next page, as you can see, once you sign up, then you'll now be directly go to Etsy website. So basically this is your home page. Now we're going to click on your profile icon right there at the top right, and then going to click on this sell on Etsy. So once you click on this sell on Etsy option, then you will now go directly to this homepage. As you can see, millions of shoppers can wait to see what you have in your store. And here, as you can see, join the creative marketplace of shoppers, spend billions each year purchasing directly from creative entrepreneurs like you. So we have the great value, powerful tools, and support and education. Right, so to get us started, just click on open your Etsy shop button right from here to start selling your products on Etsy. So as you can see, these are all the steps. You just need to make your shop uniquely yours. So we'll walk you through every step from choosing a name to creating your first listing, and then tell us a bit about yourself. And then here, open your shop, pay a one-time 849 peso setup fee, and get after your first sale. All right, so if you're ready, you just need to click on the let's do this button. Now here, asking you what brings you to Etsy, so we'll help you guide to success, whether you're a pro or brand new to selling. And you can select either you're just starting to sell for the first time, or you have a business you want to sell online, or if you want to expand your business, or mainly here to explore. So click here, I'm just starting to sell for the first time. And then here, is there anything would like help with? So you just have to select any of the topics or like information that you want to get more from Etsy. So you just need to select right here if it's understanding about finance, moving existing listing, marketing, or selling internationally. So here I'm going to select deciding what to sell and selling online, and then click on this next button at the bottom right. Now here, so now time for the fun part. So click on start your shop. Then as you can see, it will now be taken into this page. We have 6 steps to basically create your own account on Etsy. So you just need to enter the shop language, shop country, and shop currency. And then click on save and continue. Then here, just need to enter your shop name. So for example, I'm going to enter my shop name. So for example, quick how to, and then click on the save and continue button. Now once done, you'll now be directly to stock your shop. Then you just need to enter here what type of item you want to sell on Etsy. So basically it's a physical item, and just need to tell who made it and what is it and when was it made. And then here, once done, click on this add a new production partner. So you can create a production partner. So enter the name of production partner, about your production partner, location, and you can basically answer some of the questions. So for example, this one here is quick and about production partner. So you can basically detailed here all the or enter description about this production partner, and then location. And then here you just have to answer it. Why are you working with this partner? So basically, for example, it was I don't have the technical ability or equipment to make it entirely by myself. Okay, I'm going to select this one. What is your role in the design process? So I design everything myself. What is the partner's role in the production process? So basically, it's like making a component, and I will do the best. Right, so once done, click on the save and continue. But as you can see, you need to fix the following error in order to save your changes. So just enter the category. For example, This one here is like signs. All right, so this was just an example. Now here you can add more details about your shop. You can basically enter the title here, and then you can basically add up your photos and videos. So for example, I'm going to add one of the product. So basically this is how you can create your product and start selling on Etsy. So at the start of your setting up your settings, you have to basically add your product, for example, so you can start selling on Etsy. So you can add your title, the description, you can also personalize, and you can enter the price right here. For example, this one here is 250 and the quantity is like 400, and you can basically add some information on your product. You can add some variations, for example, the material that you have just used, the secondary color, the width, and the height size. And also you can tags and add some material details, and you can add a category shipping option. So basically you can create a new shipping option. So you just need to enter the origin postal code and the processing time, and then you can add the delivery time right here. For example, it's like 2 days, and then the what you'll charge, so free shipping, and then you can add information about the delivery time, and then click on apply. So as you can see, if you're going to click on save and continue, then you will need to basically add some information like your return policy or the shop section, for example. So as you can see, we have a problem on return policy. So all you need to do here is basically we'll need to click on apply this policy and then click on save and continue. Now you will now go to this page where you need to actually stock your shop. Okay, so you can add more listing, but in this case I'm going to click on do this later. And then here how you'll get paid. So basically you will get paid by PayPal, Visa card, credit or debit card, Google Pay or Apple Pay. And then you can select here your country, and then for tax purposes, what type of sellers are you, and then tell a bit about yourself. For example, you just need to enter your first name, last name, and then the date of birth, and then also the TIN number. And then you just have to add some information like your taxpayer address and then the street name, right? So for example, this one is like this, and we're going to add a street name, and also we can add some city, phone number, province. For example, this one is Central Luzon, and click save and continue. Now here at the bottom, you will need to add your bank information, enter your full name on account, bank name, and then Swift BIC, and then also you just need to add the account number. So as you can see, before you proceed to the fifth step, you just need to complete all the information about your bank account. So once done, you just need to go share your billing info, where you need to connect your credit and debit card and just pay for the subscription plan. So basically for the starting plan, it should be, or it will be like 800 peso, and then your shop security for the last step right here. So once you complete all these steps or the 6 steps, then you can now start selling your product on Etsy. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.